Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Queen here, and I am finally back with another video. Today I am setting up my September monthly, and I have Sissysprintsco August sub kit. You do get a weekly and a monthly, so let me just open it up and show you all what I got. And you also get foils as well. So the first thing I will show you is the monthly, and it's kind of like Belle from Disney. You have like the teacups, things like that, some cups with some looks like blossoms coming from the cups, and then you have the washi, some full boxes to go in your monthly, functional, and a decorative or a functional sidebar. So that is the monthly. Here is the weekly. You get your 8 full boxes, your 8 checklists, functional page, your headers and script headers, your bottom washi and your date covers, and an extra full box, and some more functional items, and your deco pieces and icons. Okay, and she does include these heart icons. They are all Instagram icons. I'm gonna use these because I have to update like my goal game when it comes to Instagram, so I have that. And then we also get foils. This one is for your weekly kit. I think most of it's for the weekly kit. So we have the bottom washi, date dots or date squares, and some headers. Then you have your full box and also some headers. Get that twice. Oh, so you get that as an option, and then you just get full boxes of the glitter, full glitter boxes. And then we get some icons, the weekend banner, some scripts. What's this over here? And oh, that's funny, he says hangry. So yeah, some scripts and icons. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my base for the month of September and see how that turns out with this size planner. So it does say A5 wide on here, and I really love these colors. Also, this is a Sunday start. I don't know if she has the option to choose another start. Thankfully, my planner is a Sunday start as well for the monthly, so I don't have to really worry about that. Let's make sure we get this on right. And I am going to do a decorative sidebar. Even though this is my more so functional planner, I still like to do a decorative sidebar. We have this too. I might put that down there. So let's put down the sidebar. Oh, I was gonna rip it. So I am having a little bit of trouble getting this side off, but it has like a little cut through it, so I can kind of see where the line is. I'll just have to let her know about that. Maybe she needs to switch her cut settings, but nothing a little scissoring won't fix. Let's see. So, what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Maybe it'll come to me in a bit. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. September is my birthday month, so I'm actually happy about these colors as well. Put some of these down. Okay, got that, and then let's see how I want to do this. I have 4 boxes left. All right, so I might just scatter these around on the days that I feel like there's not going to be anything going on. Let me put this here. That appointment on the 6th, appointment on the 1st. Okay, so I'm actually gonna put one. Do I want to put one on Friday? I know I don't have anything to do on this Friday, so I'm okay putting that there. And then let's see, on the 11th, just to kind of scatter them around. I have a bill on the 11th, but that's fine. My birthday is on the 26th, so let me actually use this color. Birthday is on the 26th. Whoop, whoop. Birthday on the 26th, and then this on Thursday the 15th. And then I have a appointment on the 6th. I actually have a couple appointments on the 6th, so I need to call to get some of them rescheduled, and this appointment will actually be my first OB appointment. Put that in there. And then I will go ahead and put this down, my bottom washi, on the bottom of each side. All right, and then let me just go ahead and put the bills. I have a bill on the 15th. I'll just put this over that. That works out. So the 15th, I have a bill on the 11th. Put it there. #21st. Another bill. Friday. That. Is that it? Oh, the 22nd, I have something. Let me put this pretty one down on the 22nd. All right, so that is that, and then I'm actually gonna put these icons down for posting. I'm trying to start posting on Wednesdays again. Hopefully that works out. And also, as for my YouTube, it has been tough for me to upload as much as I would like. My camera has been messing up. It's been losing like the chips. The chip's been losing the memory, or it's been losing the videos, corrupting them, and then I have nothing to upload for that week. It's been very discouraging. I've been very sad, as you've probably seen or noticed. I haven't been really posting as much on Instagram, or I haven't even been on Instagram as much. It just really makes me sad when I lose my stuff that I worked hard for. So I got that. I'm just looking at the icons to make sure I don't want to use any of that. Okay, so this I'll probably keep for my weekly. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that for my weekly. Let me grab a September script. Alright, so I'm just going to use this recollections book with has the days of the week and it also has the months. And since I have most things in gold, or the foiling for this month is gold, I'm going to go ahead and keep up with that. So we have September right there. And be nice. Okay. Yay, I like that. Okay. So I feel like these are more so for the weekly. Right now, since some of this stuff hasn't happened and I don't know all of my plans for this month, it's only the 1st. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of deco from here. A little bit of deco from here. Alright, and then we'll use the rest for our weekly. And then we have to put in our holidays. So the same thing, it does come with some holidays in here. I don't know if I'm going to use this, which it does have Labor Day, or if I'm going to use one from Rose Gold Paper Co. Alright, so here are the scripts from Rose Gold Paper Co. Do we have Labor Day? Yep, Labor Day right there. And you can use my code Quen I to save 20% on your order. Labor Day right there. The 15th, is that Indigenous People's Day? No, it's like the first day of Hispanic Heritage, but I don't have that written out, so we will just leave it as is. Okay, so I'll write a little bit off camera and then I'll come back with the finish. So here is how it looks. I just put a few things down. I did write in pencil just in case I needed to change anything. I am pregnant, if you guys didn't know, so I will be taking you along with me on that. I also wanted to ask if you guys prefer that I do live videos, so that I can have something to upload, or just do like YouTube shorts. Let me know down in the comments what you would like me to do, and I will try to do live videos more so in the morning. Bye.